Hi guys, I'm Sarah Levan and this year am teaching Algebra 1 Geometry and Algebra 1 Assist. This is my 12th year teaching. Hi guys, my name is Sarah Levan and I am a teacher here at Andover Central High School. This year I'm teaching Algebra 1 Geometry and Algebra 1 Assist. I wanted to share a little about myself. I have been teaching for 11 years. This is my 12th year. I've been at different high schools, including this school, Andover High School, Derby High School, and Douglas High School. I've taught everything from pre-algebra all the way up to pre-calc, but I love teaching Algebra 1 and Geometry. So I also have a 6th grade daughter, McKenna, and a golden doodle named Maggie. Here's some supplies you're going to need this year. You need a composition notebook. So not a spiral notebook, but a composition notebook. These are usually about 50 cents. I don't care if it's wide rule or college rule, what the cover looks like, you choose, but a composition notebook dedicated to math. You'll also need a calculator. So the Texas Instruments is going to be needed in Algebra 2. If you want to go ahead and buy one and get familiar with it, it's a great suggestion. But if it's not in your budget right now, we completely understand because it usually ranges from about $100 to $120. A backup calculator for Algebra 1 or Geometry is this Texas Instruments. It looks like this. It's $8 to $10. It also comes in pink, green, blue, variety of colors, and it will get the job done for Algebra 1 and Geometry. It's a scientific calculator, and it's very easy to use. If you're in Geometry, you need what we call a Geek Kit. So this is a Geek Kit. It's available at any big box store, usually ranging from $8 to $10. So this is for Geometry students only. It has a protractor inside, which you can get cheaper. It also has a ruler inside, which you will definitely need. We're not sharing any classroom supplies, so usually I supply these things for students to use, but with COVID this year, we just can't have it cross-contaminating. The reason we suggest the kit and not buying these separately is specifically because of the compass. So we're going to use the compass to do geometry constructions, and a quality compass really makes the difference because it doesn't move and wiggle when you don't need it to. So it holds its position and makes it a lot easier. So the quality of the compass is the reason to get the kit versus buying it all separately. You could go to a place like Office Max or Office Depot and spend upwards of $40 or $50 on a fancy kit. You do not need to do that. Just get the $6 to $10 one at Dillon's or Walmart or Target, and it should come in a little carrying case, and you know that it's going to have a higher quality compass inside. You also will need earbuds or earphones. We're going to do a lot of pre-instruction on videos, and if you get done with what we're doing in class, starting the video early would be a great way to lessen your homework load. The other thing you'll need, of course, is a mask because we absolutely want to keep my family and your family safe this year. Other than that, my website will have more information on my syllabus, accessing the textbook, accessing the instructional videos, and more. Please contact me if you have any questions. I look forward to this year with you.